I'm going to show you how to connect this to your action camera, your professional camera, your iPhone, your MacBook. So let's get into it. Whether you just have the mic itself or you got the whole kit with the transmitters and the receiver, gives you a lot of flexibility. The DJI Mic 2 has a lot of connectivity options, and if you can't figure out how to connect your mic to your camera, then this video is for you. First, we're going to connect the DJI Mic 2 to the Action 5 Pro. Turn on the camera and turn on the mic. This is going to be how to connect with Bluetooth to your action camera. Right now the mic is blinking green. That means it's pairing with the receiver. So you need to switch that to Bluetooth pairing. You'll just press and hold the record button until the green light turns blue, and now it's in Bluetooth mode. Now we've got our camera on, but we need to pair the two, so press and hold the link button on the mic to put it in linking mode, and that's going to be shown by the fast blinking blue light. Then in the camera settings, you'll select the wireless mic, tap that, and after a few seconds it should pair together. You'll get a notification that the mic is now linked. So now you've got the mic connected, and you'll see this green bar on the top. That's your audio level from the mic. If you need to change the audio levels, if it's too loud or too quiet, you can go into the settings and adjust those audio levels in the wireless mic option settings. So by pressing and holding the recording button on the mic, you can get it to Bluetooth pairing or pairing with the receiver. Green is going to be pairing with the receiver, and blue is for Bluetooth connection. Next, we're going to connect the DJI Mic 2 to your phone. I have the iPhone 16 Pro here, but you'll be able to connect to any phone with Bluetooth that has a USB-C or Lightning connector with these adapters that come in the mic kit, but more on that later. First, turn on your mic and phone. Next, you'll need to put the microphone into Bluetooth mode, then press and hold the linking button, and once it's blinking fast, you'll select the mic in the phone's Bluetooth list. The fast blue blinking light means that the mic is in the pairing mode, and you'll be able to pair with devices. The only thing with using your phone's native camera app is that I've only gotten the mic to work once when I was trying to use it. I tried multiple times to try to get it to connect, and it only worked once to record audio with the microphone. So you'll need to download the Blackmagic camera app, and this will allow you to pick the mic in the settings to record with. Just go to the settings and under audio source, select the mic in that list as your audio source. Then you'll see that that mic is now picking up audio in the app right there. In this app, you'll also be able to adjust a lot of other camera settings like you would with a normal professional camera. You have all those options available where you don't have that just in your normal camera app. If you're finding this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get on to the next one. Now we're going to connect the Mic 2 to a DSLR or mirrorless camera. To connect to the camera, we're going to use the receiver, so you'll need to put your mic back into the green light to be paired with the receiver, and you also have to use the audio cable to be able to have the audio synced with your camera footage. So slip the receiver on and plug in the audio cable to the receiver and the mic port on your camera. It should show up on your camera when you plug in the audio cable, and now you've got the DJI Mic 2 connected to your camera. Alright, remember I mentioned those Lightning and USB-C adapters. You're going to link the mic back to the receiver and attach the USB-C adapter to the receiver. Just pop that little plastic piece off the back and slip the USB-C adapter on. Then plug the receiver into your MacBook, and with the mic and receiver connected, then you'll just select the mic in your MacBook audio settings to get the right microphone for recording. Otherwise, you'll still be getting audio from the built-in MacBook microphone. With the adapters, you'll also be able to use it with your phone if you don't want to use Bluetooth, or if you want to use the native camera app. This does work with the camera app on your phone, and you don't have to get another app for it to work. Just plug the receiver into your phone with that USB-C adapter. So again, the mic can pair with the receiver or just by Bluetooth. You'll just press and hold the record button to switch between the two. And when you're in the Bluetooth mode to pair a new device, you'll just press and hold that link button until the light is flashing faster. and that will show you that it's in the pairing mode. And that's how to use it. It's really simple to use, very easy to connect to any of your cameras or phones or computers very easily just by switching between Bluetooth or connecting to the receiver, whether you're connected to a Bluetooth device or you'll need that USB-C adapter depending on your situation to connect to things like your computer or your phone, depending on how you want to use it. If you're having trouble connecting, you may just need to reset your Bluetooth or forget the device, like the microphone device, in your Bluetooth list and retry connecting. And normally it will show up after that and you should be able to connect again. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you in this video next.